Tension as Irua market is set on fire by angry youth over kidnapping attempts by Fulani herdsmen. Some angry youths in Ibarapa has raised suspected hideout of kidnappers at Kara Market along Erua Ibadan Expressway. It was reported that some set of Fulani herdsmen have been coming into the axis. According to a youth, which name was not disclosed, he said, not long ago in which the residents of the area have been attacked by some herdsmen hiding close to the area. It has been stated that Fulani herdsmen had reportedly attempted to kidnap two indigents of Erua while going to Ibadan and passing through the Kara markets. It was said by a youth that although the kidnapping wasn't successful, but several bullets shot by the kidnappers pierced through the indigent's vehicle. While some of those whom they were planning to kidnap said it was only God that saved us from being hit by bullets fired at us by the Fulani herdsmen. Meanwhile, the youth has agreed that in order to prevent future occurrence, the angry youth have therefore protested by raising the suspected hideout of the kidnappers. It will be called that Fulani herdsmen have been disturbing the community. Members such as killing, kidnapping, raping and destruction of farmlands. But despite government acclaimed intervention, yet the crisis still persists, as reported by both local and mainstream media. More reasons why residents are still clamoring for the second intervention of Judge and also Chief Sunday Igboho, because as reported, Iskilo Wakil, a fully armed gang leader, has not been dealt with. The residents said even Amotekun have refused to confront Wakili. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, you see why the decision of the so-called uh, 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 West Southwest Governors Forum, that decision of ETS cannot be accepted. Have you seen the reasons? You see the reasons why they suppose to just let the herdsmen to go and leave their state alone. I said it before, and even Sunday ago I've said it, that we are just wasting our time, because these guys are not going to change. Instead, they are going to awake what they are doing before. These guys are not going to change. You see that? And that is what is happening now. Is that not what we are experiencing? Is that not? Look at. They even went as far as hiding in the market where they carry out their day-to-day activities. What are we to say about something of this kind? Are we to give them kudos for what they are doing, or what? Are we to praise them? This is crazy. This is crazy. I don't subscribe to this madness. I don't, and I will never. See, this is the time for justice to be taken concerning the Fulani herdsmen, not minding what the President Muhammad Buhari is going to say. Because Buhari is handling his own affairs and doesn't want the governors to handle their own affairs. Why will he be concluding over the affairs of the people, over the affairs of the governors? Is he a governor? If he really wants to be a governor, why didn't he apply for a governor? And he's a northerner, he's a Fulani. He's saying that you people should not chase his people away because they are his people. If people are causing havoc and violence, killing people unnecessarily, and you saying that, oh my God. See, if nothing is done concerning these Fulani herdsmen, this one that has just happened now is going to be a child's play. I said this during my brokers when what was his name? The Southwest Governors Forum were having a meeting deciding on the issue of the herdsmen, if to stay or not to stay. So when they came up with conditions and said, okay, if only they can keep to this condition, that they are good to go, they are good to stay. Okay, now what's happening? They have stayed now. They will never see. They will not change. Fulanis are just like the cows that they rear. They're just like the cows that they rear. Maybe you don't know. We are just looking at them. You're just looking at them. You don't know them. You watch and see. You will be surprised. You'll be surprised at what you will see. You'll be surprised at what you will see. You understand? Can you imagine? Is that not an insult? Is that not an embarrassment? Eh? This is why Sunday Igboho is saying it, that let's do away with these people. Let's close their chapter. They don't want to be seen in our environment. But we will not agree. We will not listen. We will say, no, leave them. No, leave them. They are innocent people. They are harmless, and that and this and that. And you know what is happening? What's happening? Abi? Uh-huh. That is it. That's it. So, my viewers, I am bored. I am worried. I am not happy because of the situation of things. Because of the way things are going. I am not happy with the way our governors are acting. I'm not happy. Eh? My viewers, let us speak up. Let us speak up. This is the time. This is the time for us to speak up. This is the time for us to say our mind and say no to this. Because if you don't speak up now, you'll be surprised and you'll be amazed at what you meet at the end. Because these people, they don't want to know you. They don't want to know you. You are totally on your own. If they want to strike, they don't look at faces. Don't look at faces. That is there for you. That's there for you. So we have to say our minds. We have to say our minds. Tell the government that this is what he wants. Alright? So please, my viewers, what do you think that should happen? What's your own idea? How do you feel? Please, deem it fit to come in and air your own opinion concerning this issue. Okay? Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.